moving into another Walgreens haul. So a little different this week. I'm sharing my Walgreens haul before my CVS haul. I am waiting for a few more coupons to come in the mail so I can finalize my CVS haul and do that cash card scenario. So I did take care of a couple of the deals on Sunday. I had some CRTs expiring, but for the remainder of the haul that I want to do, I have to wait for those coupons. And I just checked, they're not here yet, unfortunately. So hopefully they'll be here tomorrow so I can try to shop either Tuesday or Wednesday and share that video with you guys. So for Walgreens, definitely a hot week. A lot of people got the save $2 when you spend $15. Also got a 10% off when you spend $15. So this transaction, I used the 10% off, or I wanted to use the 10% off. A couple hiccups along the way, so I'll get into that with you guys. So let's go into the in-store video and check out the different items involved in this haul.
Okay, at Walgreens, one of their deals is buy 3 Crest or Oral-B and get a $4 register reward. So as you can see here, there is a $5 off 3 digital coupon that you want to make sure that you clip to your account. So I'm just going to pick up 3 of these. Then I have that 10% off digital coupon as well. Going to make this a little bit of a freebie. If you don't have that coupon, it's still going to be free. I'm going to get a little bit of a moneymaker, but if you don't have that 10% off additional coupon, as long as you clip this to your card, you'll get some free toothpaste. Razors are also on sale. Buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get 3,000 points. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these. If you can find the bonus pack where it's 4 plus 2, obviously grab those. It gives you an additional 2 free razors. And there's one back here. Oh, making a mess. Okay, so I'm going to pick up 2 of these. First one is going to be $6.79. Second one is going to be $3.39. You're going to use 2 of these $3 off 1 coupons that you can print from bic.com, and I'll have the link in the description box. Then plus the 10% off coupon that I have, it's going to make it just 8 cents per pack of 6 razors. So super hot deal to stock up on some razors. Speed Stick deodorant again, men and women. They are on sale for buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get 3,000 points. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon. Then you're going to use this 50-cent off 1 coupon from bic.com. It's going to make them really cheap for some deodorant. I have that 10% off coupon again as well. So let's see what the total is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to use that 50-cent off coupon from speedstick.com, $1 digital, 10%, takes off 45 cents. I'm going to pay $2.53, get back 3,000 points, makes it a nice 43-cent moneymaker. Always $5. Then there is a $1.25 IVC coupon in the Walgreens coupon book. They're at the front of the store. It's on page 9. So you're going to give this to the cashier and they can scan it, or you can clip it to your card. There is a digital version. There's also a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon. Then plus the 20 or the 10% off that I have, it's going to be about $2.38 for 6 paper towels. So super hot deal. It's also on the toilet paper as well. There is a 50-cent digital coupon, or you guys can print the coupons from Kleenex.com. So those links will be in the description box for you. Nice storage bags are on sale again. Buy 1, get 2 free. I use these bags myself. I would honestly say the quality is the same as Ziploc, and they're way, way, way cheaper. So there's a ton of different sizes. You can get the gallon, there's freezer sizes, there's snack, and there's quart. So pick up one of these, pay $2.79, get 2 free. Final cost is 93 cents each. If you have that 10% off coupon, makes it for an even better deal. Okay, the laundry supply deal for this week is buy 3, get 1 free. So if you pick up 2 Tide liquids at $4.99 each, 1 Tide Pods, which is also $4.99, then you can come over here and buy 1 of these 120 count bounce for $4.99. You're gonna get 1 of them free. You're gonna use a $2 digital for Tide liquid, a $2 digital for Tide Pods. If you don't have the digital, you can go to pgeveryday.com, print a $2 liquid and a $2 pods. The bounce dryer sheets are going to be free. it'll be $8.97 out of pocket, makes it just $2.24 per item. If you have a $2 off $15 spend digital coupon, that'll make it just $1.74 per item. So not a bad deal to stock up on some Tide laundry detergent. Soft soap is on sale again. Buy one, get one half off. When you buy 4, you get 4,000 points. So the best deal, I'm gonna grab the smaller ones. You can do the larger ones, obviously. There are 50-cent off coupons from softsoap.com. Final cost will be about $1 each, so not a bad deal. I'm gonna grab the smaller ones though. They'll be $5.97. Then the 10% off coupon will take off another 60 cents. So it'll make it a really hot deal, about 34 cents each once you get the 4,000 points back.
Okay, so a couple hiccups. I wanted to use a $10 register reward, but for some reason the cashier said I couldn't use a $10 register reward because none of my items were $10 or greater, which I've never heard before. I've never had that problem before, so I don't think she just knew what she was talking about. All the other deals went smoothly. Make sure you guys either clip that IBC coupon for the Scott paper towel to your card or get that booklet in the front of the store so you can take advantage of that additional $1.25 off. So I wanted to use the 10% off. Typically when you have multiple boosters like that, the lowest value booster is gonna come off first. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. However, on this transaction, I checked my receipt, the 10% off did not come off, the $2 off 15 did not come off. There was a $3 off $3 plus booster, which I didn't even have on my account. I didn't clip anything on my account, so I'm not sure where that was. It was kind of weird. I checked my account, I still had the 10% off, and I still had the $2 off 15, so that was a little odd, but other than that, everything went pretty smoothly. So I will be doing another haul. There's a couple more items that I want to make sure that I can grab. Tresemme is a really good one this week. Some laundry care items is a good one this week, like you saw in the video. I didn't get a chance to take advantage of those, but I'm definitely going to do a second haul. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. If you have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. I did do all of these deals in one transaction, so you don't have to split up any of these deals. You can pay with points because the booster is not a spend deal, and it's just a digital booster. So I paid with points, and I used some register rewards from last week to make sure, because they do expire. So whenever you're getting register rewards, make sure you check the date, and then I put it in my calendar when the register rewards are going to expire. You don't want that money to go to waste because it's just the same as cash. So if you guys do have any questions, drop a comment below and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.